Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry for my voice. I'm really fucking sick right now. But today we're gonna be putting a shift knob. Hopefully everything goes good. This is the shift knob we're gonna be installing. I have the hard wood one, I guess, if you want to call it that way. This one. And I think this one looks more sporty. So we're gonna install this one today. Move your shift knob to neutral and pull your e-brake so the car doesn't move. And then you just gotta press this handle right here, and then you gotta go up. I suggest you use both your hands. Close the lever up. So just do that, and then it comes out. Easy as that. Pretty much it, guys.